Did you feel the upbeats? I'm happy you're feeling upbeat beat. I'm asking you if you felt the upbeats beat. You know how to feel the upbeats beat? Yeah, I'm confused too. Let's take today's lesson to learn how to count and play upbeats. That is much clearer. Let's go!
Loog Nation!
Welcome to Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. I'm Mr. Will, your certified Loog educator, and this is my buddy Beat. And we are at the end of our first series in strumming lessons. And today, we're taking on the upbeat strum. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome! Welcome to the channel! Hit the subscribe button, and also, you should probably check out this video here on straight eighth notes. It will get you ready for today's lesson on upbeats. I'll also leave a link in the description for you. Beat's wondering, why are we working on upbeat strums today? Well, upbeat strums are getting us ready for even more challenging strumming lessons in the future. And also, it's a challenging strum to begin with, and I think you all are ready for it. So, we're gonna work slowly and steadily through this whole lesson together. Ready? Okay, we're turning to the page that says upbeat. Notice all the up strums? Pretty obvious. And this is in Learn the Loog Level 1. And I wrote this book so that you can have something to draw and color on while we're working on lessons together here on the YouTube channel. And if you need a copy, you can find that in the Amazon store. There's a link for that in the description. It's a great way for you to help support our channel, so thank you in advance for your purchase and your 5-star rating, of course. Hold your pick like a pro and get ready to just strum upbeats with us. Ready? Let's just strum up. Up, 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 and stop. Great. That's pretty easy, right? Notice that when we strum the upbeats, we have to miss the downbeat. Yeah, Beat, I know. It seems pretty obvious. I mean, you might even be thinking, duh. Missing the downbeat is really important when we're playing upbeats in tempo. And. So notice, I'm not saying up. I'm using the word, that's right, Beat, and. And just like the straight eighth note lesson, we're counting as musicians, and we're saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Thanks for your help, Beat. With upbeats, we only count the and. So we have to miss the downbeat and say and. Let's try it this time by saying miss and, miss and, miss and, miss and. Ready? Cool. Miss and, miss and, miss and, miss and. Stop. Time for your play along lesson. Okay, I'm going to count. Beat is going to help you with staying in tempo, and you get to play upbeats. So I'll count off to 4, like we normally do, and then we're going to begin. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. How'd that go? Yeah. Are you counting along with me out loud as you're strumming up? Notice that I'm not counting 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm helping us miss or feel those downbeats without saying or playing them. Yeah, let's do it again. Ready? Here we go. 4 for nothing, and then we'll begin. And, 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 and stop. Nice. Yeah, you know Beat always wants to go faster. Are you ready? Let's go just a little bit faster. Remember to count out loud, stay with me, and if you need help, just follow Beat. Beat is only going to hop on the ands. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Nice. I couldn't help it. I had to play along a little bit this time. Even faster? Beat wants to go even faster. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to count as fast as I can. I'm going to whisper the numbers though, because it's so fast, I'm getting confused. All right, let's go. Ready? Ready? Count out loud. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. I don't know what just happened. Great job, everybody. You could see in that last round of play along, as fast as we were going, even Mr. Will got lost. I don't even know how many times I played and it gets really confusing because the faster you go, sometimes you start playing up on the downbeat and then the upbeat gets lost and then you get confused as to what the count is. See, Beat? Upbeats are confusing. You're not alone. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you've enjoyed this series of lessons on just strumming your Loog. You're learning all the core strumming that you need to be able to become an excellent player and a future guitarist. Have you subscribed to the channel? Click that button right now and hit the notification bell because we're dropping videos every Thursday and we want you to become a part of the Loog Nation community and stay on top of your lessons. It only takes 5 minutes a day to be able to become a great player. So, click in, watch these videos, come back to these videos, and stay tuned for more lessons. I'm out of here. Oh, that's a great idea, Beat. Beat wants us to play a song that uses upbeats as we finish our lesson. Yeah, let's do it. I'm Mr. Will. We'll see you next time. Could